Most of us dream of continuing being young forever, and why not, right? What can be better than being the best version of yourself in every aspect, be it physical or mental? But what if I tell you I have something better than that? Something as radical as saying that not only will you remain constant with your age, but you might be able to witness reverse aging. Sounds impossible, right? Reverse aging, or anti-aging, seems impossible as aging is part of daily life. This is how the law and algorithm of the universe works. Every living thing ages and eventually dies. But current research are somewhat contradicting and concludes that we can potentially stay young and even reverse age. In this video, I'll be telling you how science is intending to keep you young and delay or possibly reverse aging. Sounds interesting? Well, it is. So let's get started. Throughout the path of human history, we've overcome many challenges and achieved great feats to protect ourselves from disease and injury. Illnesses and infections that once commonly took lives are now a thing of the past and are easily treatable and preventable through new medical science, and some diseases have been downright eliminated. The one mystery we have not seemed to crack is aging. Our centuries-long exploration for the fountain of youth has directed us from myth to magic to a science lab, where researchers are unlocking the mysteries of aging and perhaps getting closer to not only stopping it, but reversing it. So what if reversing age was possible? What benefits does it serve to mankind? Well, individual conditions are very expensive. The norm is, the older you get, the more problems you seem to have. So if we can slow down aging, people will be stronger and less inclined to illness. It's not a new concept because many cultures have studied ways to slow down or avoid aging altogether. In recent decades, science and technology have progressed so rapidly that while human beings may still be inescapably aging, the possibility of solving the problem of aging are closer than ever. Back in December of 2016, researchers at the Salk Institute successfully reversed the process of aging in mice and anticipated that they would be ready for human examinations within 10 years. The research at the Salk Institute not only made the mice look younger, but it also broadened their lifespan by an average of 30%. This was similar to findings from research by the Buck Institute for Research on Aging and the University of Washington back in 2015, which found that eliminating certain genes in yeast could increase the organism's lifespan by up to 60%. However, these findings and experiments are still in the initial phase of the reverse aging technology, so it may be a while before we see a headline reading, "Scientists reverse aging in humans." Humans are complicated organisms, so medications that show promise in mice may not work for us Homo sapiens. Understanding what's going on inside your body and your tendency to specific diseases is key to reversing the aging process. Your best chance currently is a DNA health test, like the one by UK company Atlas Biomed, that scans for disease risks and gives you personalized tips to help avoid them so you can live longer and healthier. Through DNA, researchers have been able to identify the genes responsible for aging. The genes that are the culprits in human aging can then be manipulated using advanced technologies like CRISPR with remarkable success. Researchers at the University of Exeter in England recently conducted a study to determine how to reverse the aging of a class of genes called splicing factors and the dysfunctional senescent cells. Splicing factors play an important role in operating genes smoothly, but eventually switch off as we age older and senescent cells become more prevalent. They discovered that by applying a chemical compound called Resveratrol analogs, a substance naturally found in blueberries, dark chocolate, red wine, and grapes, can reverse the effect, ultimately allowing the splicing factor to turn back on. Researchers were surprised when cells began rejuvenating and regaining some features of youth. Additionally, stem cells are becoming more prevalent in the realm of anti-aging research. Known as the superstars of regenerative medicine, they can exponentially reproduce themselves and differentiate into most of the cell types found in the body. Research suggests that stem cells found in a region of the brain known as the hypothalamus may play a crucial role in how swiftly we age. A recent study conducted by Dr. Dongsheng Cai from the Albert Einstein College of Medicine in New York suggests that adding new stem cells to the hypothalamus in the brain may be the best option to delay old age. He was able to determine the specific stem cell within the hypothalamus. These neural stem cells are responsible for producing new neurons that naturally decline over time. These impact the speed at which the aging process unfolds, and by adding new ones, it is possible to slow or even reverse various elements of aging throughout the body. During the study, scientists noticed that the rats who received new stem cells, compared to the specimens whose neural system was left alone, survived at a much longer rate. A combination of all these experiments and research may finally reveal the answer to the fountain of youth. A number more of these studies that have similar foundations are also being conducted, and with time, potentially very soon, researchers hope to make this available to all aging members of our population. Reverse aging technology has the potential to yield important gains for human longevity and health. The longer a human can live healthily, the happier and more productive they will be. And the better it is for society too, because it could alleviate the pressure on the country's economy and health service. Can science stop aging? While we wait for the solution, there are some simple changes you can implement in your daily life to reverse aging by boosting your health and decreasing your chance of dying early from common but preventable diseases. If you don't know where to start, take a health DNA test to get precise lifestyle recommendations. Other than that, diet and exercise are just two characteristics of a prosperous lifestyle. There are many ways that can help increase your lifespan by staying healthy well into old age, even if it doesn't necessarily mean reversing your biological age. So that was today's video, guys. Do let us know in the comments how you liked it. Also, subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content in the future. Take care.